Greetings, I'm going to be talking a little bit about Airbnb today and exactly how you can refer friends and where you can find that refer tab within the app, just so you can find out how to be a host or how to get your friends to be a host, or maybe you just want to bring friends onto the app so you can plan an excursion together, because the Airbnb app really is spectacular. I think it's a great app really if you are searching it for a place in a new country, a new city, and if we go to the moon soon, Airbnb I'm sure will pick out some perfect spots on the moon. So first off, the UI of this app is incredible. It's one of the best designed apps in terms of what it can do, in terms of capability, in terms of how well it displays font, pictures, high definition. Here is the tab we need. It's to the far right, as you can see, and there are multiple options here. Now, as you can see off the bat, notification, credits and coupons, invite friends, and refer a host. Now, there's a slight difference. So basically when you refer a host, you can also send basically an email or get across to a friend and refer them by basically utilizing their contacts. That gives Airbnb access to basically your Facebook, your email, your phone book, and basically all your contacts, and basically seeing who's already on Airbnb and seeing who they can basically accrue. And if they do accumulate a certain number of your contacts, then you'll be rewarded as a referrer. But more basically, you'd most likely want to go here. Now this is 3 tabs down in the very right hand side of the app, and here, self-explanatory, give 40, get 20. So basically when you give someone your link and they sign up with your link, they'll get $40 in travel credit, which basically means $40 just to use on Airbnb for anything they want. This is a generalization, but really if they're getting an experience, if they're renting out a cabin, if they're doing anything, you get credits in that manner. So if it's $37 a night, you basically covered your one night of rent. Simple as that, and you get $20. And so once they've completed a trip that's $75 or more, you'll get the 20. So basically your friend gets 40 once you refer them, and once they complete a somewhat inexpensive trip, I should say, that they can also use their credit for at least 50% of, you then get $20, which is quite worth it, because if you are going to make a trip, it's definitely going to be more than $75. And with that $40 off, that's already 50% of the minimum. So that's quite wonderful. So you also have a tabulation ledger here, which shows you all your pending and available travel credits. So if you referred a ton of people, you have a ton of travel credits to travel the world, and that's something amazing, and something that, you know, if you do share your link enough of, you can make Airbnb one of the greatest experiences of your life, which is awesome. I have no travel credit as of now, but I will be changing that. T&C, terms and conditions, that's pretty self-evident, but basically share your link. You get your link right here in the tab, copy to clipboard. You also get a variety of options to send, but it's really easy as that. And that's how you find your referral code and share it. And those are the benefits. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much.